me at the beach.
It's feeding time at the zoo for these adorable lemurs. Wait a second. Does he even work there? How do I get to feed lemurs?
I'm so tired of the same thing. It's no good.
Oh, please, Mom, can I please just go play with my friends?
I'm so jealous.
Can you just relax for 1 second? This is supposed to be peaceful. Don't stand. Why are you standing? Oh, no.
Courtney.
Imagine going on a safari with your family with the hopes of relaxing, seeing a few animals, and bam! Bird food everywhere. They nearly lost the whole bucket. This photographer is trying to be as still as possible. You can't outrun a cheetah, so your best bet is to just not move.
Are you eating the bouquet? Are you guys here for John and Kelly's wedding?
Hey, Bill. Look, I'm upside down.
A nice trip to the farm. This chicken is not having it.
Please get on the bike. Please get on the bike.
Alexa, Christmas lights on.
Okay.
Alexa, Christmas lights on.
Okay.
And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the first annual Parakeet Dunking Contest.
Flamingo with the dance fever, I like
And there goes your hat.
For your dining entertainment, we bring you Marty with his mating dance.
Imagine trying to eat dinner and some guy's doing this right in front of you.
She's just not into you. No. What is it, like a carnival for chickens?